In 2008, I stepped into my role as Executive Director of the CLMC, which stands for the Construction Labor Management Council of Southeastern Wisconsin. I'm in a great situation to be able to hear both sides of what's going on and be able to control the misconception of what their side is doing and what they think they're doing. And that can easily get away from us. So I find my role to be kind of important in that, to say, hey, you're only about a 30-minute conversation away from solving this problem, so let's see if we can get this done. We've been able to get our board members, the right board members on the board, to able to help us move some of our goals forward. Our participation at our board meetings have been very good. Our table has always been considered the neutral table. If you need to understand that we represent labor and management, and sometimes that can be some tough subjects out there. Some of my future goals are obviously to do a better job of getting in front of our customers and show them the value that we bring on a day-to-day basis. We need to do a better job of networking and promoting our industry, not just within, but also outside of our group. A lot of times when we have our board meetings, and I'm the first to admit that, I didn't know how it was going to happen or what was being talked about. And I realized that we were doing a very good job of complimenting each other. And I think now we come to the point where we're asking some tough questions of each other, both sides, to understand here's what's going on and what can we do, not do things better, but first and most important, to survive and also to increase the market shares that are needed. The real basic part of it is we have a board meeting once a month. We're up to over a little bit close to 2 hours, which is a compliment to the board members giving us more input. And there's also some great conversations after the board meeting, which is what I consider to be still a very good part of labor and management. Outside of that, it's probably more or less when I reach out to someone and say, hey, you brought up a conversation, I wanted to follow up with you on that, and maybe I'm asking them for advice. And I feel that's kind of my role, is to make sure that if something's brought up, I want to understand it and be able to share it with the other side so there's no misconception of what they were saying. I receive phone calls from maybe somebody on the job site, or maybe an upset labor leader or contractor or a customer that says, hey, this is what's going on, this is what I heard. And a lot of times we all know by the time they heard it, it's not what's really going on. So we find ourselves in that position quite a bit to say, you know what, let me call them up and find out what they meant, or maybe I can broker a meeting. We've done that, and it's actually part of our role.